Good day, welcome to today's tutorial. It has been long. Let's continue from where we stopped. In our last tutorial, we were able to place images on our web page. So we were treating HTML images and we were able to place images on our web pages. So we discussed how to get image from our own website and place it on a web page, and also we'll be able to discuss how to get image from another website and place it on our web page. So this one sources image from another website and place it on our web page. This one sources image in our website and put it on the web page, and this one sources it from another website and place it on our web page. Okay, let's see some attributes here. Let's just review it. So you see we have SRC, meaning source, the source of image. This one, the source of image is ABB drive. Yes, see the source state ABB drive .jpeg. It is inside this website. So we have alternative. ALT means alternative, meaning if this source is not available, if you open a website and this source is not available, show them this. That is what it is. If this image is not available, the alternative is that display this text ABB. And these are the attributes, another attributes, height and weight. We are going to discuss it during resizing. So the same thing, this one will fetch image from another website. And this is the URL. From here now you can see the URL of that image in that particular website. This is the URL of this one. The part of this one. This is part of this. Okay. Let's start from where what we have today, resizing image. Sometimes your original image might be too big or it might be too small. You either need to increase it or you reduce the size, increase or reduce the size. For example, let's see the image we have here. Let's refresh this. So let me save. I work on this. Let me save first. If you refresh this, this is the size of image we have here. We can increase the size of this image, or we can decrease it. If you want to increase the size, what you need to we make use of the width and the height attributes. These are the two attributes we have here. Let me put it. You can place it like this. It will still work. These are the attributes. But what do we use attributes for? Is to change the behavior of this image. Attributes, use it, or you can say the properties. Okay. Let me change this one to 300 and change this one to something like 200. I'm increasing the size. 300 and 200. The width 300, the height 200. And let's see. You can make use of Ctrl S in your Windows or Command S in your Mac. Okay, let's do a refresh. You can see the size of this one increased. The size increased. Okay, if you want to decrease the size, let's change this from 300 to 200, the height 200, and this one 100. Let's see what will happen. Let's change it to 100. So the size will decrease. So if you want to increase or decrease the size of an image in your website, you make use of the width and the height attribute. Okay, the same thing is applicable to this image we got from the website. So let's decrease, make it the same size as the first one. Let's decrease it. Let's put 200 the 200 height and 150 200 width. I mean 150 height. Okay. Save Ctrl S and then go to your website, refresh. You can see it has decreased. So don't look at the sides. You have some white spaces here that is among the image. That is why you are seeing this one. The real image size of this image it is. And this one is like this. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Adding border to this image. So we want to add border around this image. We want to create line around this image. Same thing here. Okay, if you want to add border, you make use of attribute hot style. In the style, we want to add border. So let's see the values of the border. Just like the border of a country, border of something. Something around something. Okay, let's see. The first value you are going to put is the thickness of the border. Let's put the thickness 5 px. The second thing you are going to put, is it solid, is it continuous line or broken line? Okay, let's put a continuous line. If you want to put a continuous line, make use of solid. So the next thing is the color. Let's put the color of the, let's put black. You can put any color, let's put black. Let's save. When you save, you go to your website, you refresh. You refresh, you see this line around this place. That is the border. Okay, let's do the same to the second image. You put style first. You put style, border. Let's put this one 10 px. That is the thickness of the line. And let it be solid also. Solid. And at this time, let's put the color red. Let the color be red. And save. Ctrl S. Okay. Let's come here and refresh. You can see this is the border here. The thickness of this one is 10 ps. You see the thickness. And you see this one is 5 ps. This one is thicker than this. So you can change the color. You can make a border a broken line, or you can make it a continuous line, a solid line. So these two are solid lines. Okay, this is what we have today. See you in our next lesson. Thanks for watching.